Hey math team and hey freshman team. Just wanted to share something I'm trying to do to help with our task initiation. So we're spending the last 5 minutes starting homework. And I always give my homework on ALEKS in math class. So what I did is I made a scene on GoGuardian and I called it Start Homework. Okay? And the setting that I did, the only one I did was this tab management one. And it's auto open. And so I have automatically open ALEKS. So what I do is I teach my class. I don't use GoGuardian in class. And I start to wrap up. I say, okay, well, now comes the task initiation part of class. And what I do is I click on the section I'm teaching. So, for example, dedication. And I make sure I have the start homework scene that I made before. I have that selected. And then I hit start session. And what happens is it's removing one more barrier. If I have that tab, the ALEKS tab, automatically opens on all of my students' laptops. So it's one small thing I can do to get them on the right way to doing their homework. And while I'm doing that, I can also look at their screens and make sure they are doing the right thing. Just wanted to share that tip. If it's helpful for you and it feels like it's overwhelming, it's too much, that's okay too. Have a great day.